Hello guys, here are step by step how to get a backlink, a high quality backlink from WHMCS portal, okay, which is DR92. Okay, so first of all, I have made the step by step thread. If you're watching this video outside WHMCS, I will drop a link where you can click and it will take you straight to the post thread live on WHMCS. Okay, so the steps are simple. Before that, it will interest you to know that SEO still play a great role when it comes to online business success. You need SEO. You need to start. If you have not started, you need to start investing on SEO, which is search engine optimization, and backlinks. Getting backlink is a subset of SEO every website owner should not frown on. So live on this thread, I have made a step-by-step process you can take to get backlink from WHMCS.com. All you need to do is to read to the last footer of this thread and copy this address, this website address, okay, be it on mobile or on desktop. Go to your browser and paste it. When you paste it, you need to create your account, okay. As you can see right here, I've screenshot the step-by-step process you should take. You create your account. When you have entered your active email address, they will send you a confirmation email, which you need to go to your mailbox, click on it, and you are good to go. Then you log in. The next step is for you to click on profile. This is it, okay. You click on profile. Take note, there are few backlinks you can get from WHMCS, okay. One of them is profile backlinks. Another one is contextual backlinks, okay, so which I have also covered live on this thread. So you can follow it. On the profile you will see websites, then you can add your website. All you need to do is to update your profile by saving it. You now have your website link on WHMCS.com marketplace, okay. Next is for you to index it, although it's not mandatory, okay. So if you leave it, it will still be indexed, but if you want a fast index, there are so many index services on SEO which you can grab. If you still want to learn how to do what index, you can get our complete SEO course. You will discover how you can index any link, okay. So indexing a link, indexing a backlink is very, very necessary, though it's not that mandatory. If you leave it, it will still get indexed, okay. If you have a Google News platform, you can go to your Google News profile and even post the link and it will be indexed by Google. So that is it for now. I remain my humble self, Mbono Watson. Should you have not joined WHMCS, kindly do that by clicking on what register and enter your details, okay. Sign up is 100% free as of now, so take the step and sign up to WHMCS. WHMCS is an internet marketing and marketplace forum open for the global world. Thank you. I remember my humble self, Mbono Watson. Bye for now.